Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and healthy at your place. So, students, today we are going to start with the writing section. This is the last topic of the December syllabus. Fine, and this is of lesson number 24 and 25. And 24 chapter name is paragraph writing. We will be doing two paragraphs which are in your syllabus. Then lesson number 26, it is of letter writing. I will be telling you the format of writing the letters. Fine. So this is basically the lecture number 1 from your book PC Wren's Grammar book. So let's begin with it. So the topics, the content which we are going to cover in this lecture, that is, first is paragraph writing, lesson number 24. This I have already told you. And first paragraph which we are going to study is, your father bought a new watch. Write a paragraph describing the watch. In this, you need to describe, you need to tell about the watch which your father has bought for you. Fine. The second paragraph is the H part. It is given on page number 109 in your grammar book. The topic is, write few sentences about your best friend. It's very easy. In each class, in every class, you keep on doing the same topic about your best friend, and you also have to mention why do you like him or her, means आप उनको क्यों पसंद करते हो. Next is second number, we will be doing the letter writing. In this we will be doing the part B. Fine, and we will be doing the part B, part A which we have already done, and this part B, it is given on page number 115 in your PC Wren's Grammar book. So what is the part of the letter which we are going to do? That is, write a letter from Nitin. Means Nitin is writing a letter to his cousin Dinesh, who lives in abroad, foreign country, telling him about how he has changed school and how it has affected him. उसने अपना विद्यालय कैसे बदला और उसका विद्यालय उसके ऊपर कैसे अफेक्ट किया, क्या प्रभाव डाला. Fine, these two things we are going to study. So first of all, let us start with the paragraph writing. Fine. So first paragraph, it was about, your father bought a new watch. Write a paragraph describing the watch. In this, you need to tell about the watch which your father has bought for you. So paragraph writing, it can be differ. You can write your own views. I have written my own views. Fine. Every student paragraph will be different. It will be different. You need to describe your own views. Do not copy it from anywhere. Fine. Write it in your own words. So let us start what I have written. This you need to write it in your English Fair notebook. I had been longing for a watch that was different, and my father gifted me with the best model. So I was wishing. Longing means to wish for a watch. Fine. And that's quite different from the other watch. So my father gifted me a best model. I like it very much, and when I do not use it, I keep it safely in my cupboard. When I do not use that particular watch, I keep it safe in my cupboard, wardrobe. It is easy to manage, and for students of my age is very useful. So it is easy to manage, and the students of my age, the watch is very useful for them. The watch is very beautiful and trendy. It's very trendy and beautiful also. It was that Ben 10. The name is company, that is Ben 10 watch, which I am very fond of, means which I like the most. It is red in color and has beautiful Ben 10 pictures on it. Fine. Along the straps, there are two straps on right and on left side. And on the dial, in the center there is a dial. The dial is round and has a photograph of Benetton. Fine. Embossed on it. Embossed means it is totally graved on it. Inside the dial, the base is white in color. So the base of the dial is white in color. The numbers in the dial are fluorescent. They are of fluorescent color. Means fluorescent basically are one which shines in the night also. Means if there is complete dark, you will see the fluorescent colors out. And therefore it glows at night. Fine. Let us move forward. The minute needle and the seconds needle have also their tips translucent. Translucent means the object from which we can see. So at night, even that glows. That also glows. The needle also, the watch also glows. Chamakti hai. The most attractive feature of my watch is the flexibility of the strap. Means the strap is very flexible. It can move in the way which you want to mold it. The strap of my watch is not like the ordinary watches. जो बिल्कुल जो ऑर्डनरी होती हैं, जो साधारण सी घड़ियाँ होती हैं, उनके जैसा नहीं है स्ट्रैप, बिल्कुल अलग है. दैट आई हैव सीन विद माई पेरेंट्स और द फ्रेंड्स. मीन्स द स्ट्रैप और द वॉचेस विच माई पेरेंट्स एंड माई फ्रेंड्स दे हैव, बट द स्ट्रैप विच आई हैव, दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. This strap does not have holes or the buckles to strap it. Means there is no buckle, there is no hole. In the ordinary watches, we can see the hole also and the buckle also. It can bend on its own when applied a little pressure. Means when we applied a little pressure, थोड़ा सा जब जोर लगाते हैं तो वो अपने आप मुड़ जाती है. Apart from the red, they were available in many colors, is what my parents said. ऐसा मेरे माँ बाप ने कहा. But the most of all, the red looked beautiful, and that is why my father bought for me. So red is the beautiful, and my father bought the same for me. Apart from bending and wrapping to its wrist, wrist means kalhai, it could also be folded in many shapes. Means the particular watch which he has, which I have, is can folded in many different ways and designs, thus making my watch very attractive. It seems to be very attractive and different from what my friends have. और जो मेरे दोस्तों के पास है उससे बिल्कुल अलग दिखती है. I like my watch very much and would keep it safe. I hope you all have understood this paragraph, so you can write it in your own words also, and you can take help from this also. Let us move on to the next one, that is H part. It is again given in your book on page number 109. Write few sentences about your best friend and also mention why do you like him or her. आपको कुछ sentences लिखने हैं अपने मित्र के ऊपर and you have to tell that why you like, आप क्यों उसको पसंद करते हो. So let us start. And there are, means I may say 99% of students, they start the topic of best friend, that my best friend name is this. My best friend studies in this class. My best friend is of this age. Why not to start with something different? Why to copy the same lines in each standard? No. Try something different. So, friendship is one of the greatest blessing that everyone is lucky to enough to have. Means not everyone. Everyone is not enough lucky. Fine. कि हर किसी को दोस्ती मित्रता नहीं मिलती. वो कुछ लोग लकी होते हैं जिनके पास दोस्त होते हैं. We meet a lot of people in the journey of the life, but there are only a few who leave a mark on us. बहुत सारे लोग मिलते हैं हमें पूरी ज़िंदगी में, है ना. पूरी यात्रा में बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं जो हमारी ज़िंदगी का एक पार्ट बन जाते हैं, कुछ लैंडमार्क छोड़ देते हैं. Sorry, not landmark, it's a mark. My best friend is Sakshi. So I have named my best friend and she is Sakshi. And she is a person who has been able to make a positive impact on my life. So she never gives me negative thoughts. She always lays a positive impact. She gives me positiveness every time. We have been a part of each other's life for the longest time. It's a long time. We are the part of each other's life. And our friendship is still developing. Means right now also our friendship is developing. Most importantly, बहुत ज़रूरी, I feel extremely fortunate. Fortunate means lucky to have someone as a best friend in my life. Fine, let us move forward. Our friendship started when my best friend came in as a new admission to our class. When I was in class 8th, she entered my classroom. At that time, our friendship started in class 8th. Both of us were hesitant. Hesitant means हिचकिचाते थे to talk to each other at the first. Means at first time we used to hesitate with each other. But gradually means naturally, we developed a bond. I remember the first time my best friend tried to talk to me. I rolled my eyes and because I thought there was no use and we could not hit it off. Means when she tried to talk to me, I thought there is no use of talking to each other. I rolled my eyes. because there was no use. However, to my surprise, we became best friend by the end of the session year. Means when there was the end of the year, we became best friends. We learned so many things about each other and found out that our taste in the music so similar. Means we have learned so ample of things from each other. बहुत कुछ सीखा हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से, और जो हमारा म्यूजिक में टेस्ट है, that is so similar. Since then, there was no stopping us. We spent all our time together and our friendship became the talk of the class. Fine. Let us see. We used to help each other out in the studies and visited each other's homes as well. So we used to go each other's home and we used to sit and study over there. On our summer break, we even went to summer camp together and made a lot of memories there. So why the reason I like her the most? I like her very much because she understands my emotion, supports me and stand by me in my good and bad times. Even when everybody turns their back on me, जब हर कोई मेरे से पीछे छोड़ देता है, हर कोई मुझे अपनी पीठ दिखा देता है जब मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन मेरी जो मित्र है वो हमेशा साथ रहती है. A person like her is very much precious. बहुत कीमती है. That is why I call her my best friend. So this is basically the essay on the best friend. You can write, you can take help from this, you can write in your own words. Fine. So what you have to do is, now let us move on to the next part, that is letter writing. So you need to write these two, H part and this G part, in your English Fair notebook. Fine. Now let us move on to the next, that is letter writing. So letter writing, it is basically an old tradition of communication. पहले ज़माने में जब telephones नहीं थे, mobile phones नहीं थे, we used to communicate with each other by letters. With the help of letter, we used to communicate with each other. So but nowadays we have mobile phones with us, we have smartphones, so with the help of those phones we can communicate with each other, but still this is the part of our life and it's a part of our grammar, letter writing. So let us start with it. Let us see some important parts of a letter. First of all, there are two kinds of letter. First is formal and another is informal. Formal letter basically which we write to our principal, to committee members, to any manager of the company, means in which we have a formal talk with each other. Fine. Next is informal letter. Informal letter basically we write to our friends, to our relatives, means to our personal member. Fine. So first of all, today we are going to learn about informal letter. So let us see the points. So first we have to write the address of the sender, means to whom we are sending the address, to whom we are sending the letter. So we are going to write the address of that person. Then we will leave one line. Then we will write a date. Then we will write the name of the person you are addressing the letter to. जिसको आप पत्र लिख रहे हो उसका नाम लिखोगे. Then there will be the body of the letter. Then there will be the closing line. Then your own name. It's very simple. You need to keep these 6 parts in your mind. Address of the sender, leave a line, then date, then the person you are addressing to, name of that particular person. Then you have to write a complete, means enclosure, body. Then it is closing, the last line. Then you will end it with your own name. Fine. So at the end you need to write the what? That is complimentary closing. Then at the end there will be the signatures. Now let us take, this is one sample which I have taken for you to explain the letter writing part. Okay. This is one sample. Write a letter to your friend telling her about friends club you have started at home. Means you have started a friend club at your home and you need to tell to your friend. It's a friend letter, personal letter. So it is basically an informal letter. So let us start. First of all, you will write your address. Then you will leave one line. Then you will write the date, current date. And while writing date also, keep this format in your mind. First we write the date. Like today it is 30th December. Fine. So we will write 30. Then you will write the name of the month. Then you will write the name of the year. First comes date, month, year. Keep this in your mind. Then you will write means greeting to whom you are addressing the letter. That is Dear Sanya, or your friend, you can write your own friend's name. Now this is basically the body of the letter. This is basically the body of the letter. I have started the friend clubs at home. I have used the small study as a library where I have stocked all my storybooks. You can also contribute your books for the library. Every Saturday, members will meet to discuss the progress and will enjoy snacks brought by all in the balcony. During holidays and Wednesdays, we will narrate stories with the help of puppets or picture books to small children and charge a weekly fee of ₹20 from each child. Tanya plans to open a muffin corner every second Saturday to raise more money. The collection from the food corner and the earning from the story sessions will be used to buy more books from the second-hand bookstore. So this is basically the body of the letter in which we are explaining everything which we are going to do in the friend club. Fine. Next, this is the closure line. We will have a formal meeting this Saturday. I shall expect you to be there with some more creative ideas. Fine. This is the last line. Now the closing is your loving friend. You can write in this closing line, it can be your loving friend, it can be your affectionately. Fine, you can use these words. Then you have to write at the end your name. So I hope you have understood these 6 things, and these 6 things you need to keep it in your mind very nicely. Now what you have observed from the previous letter, which I have shown you as an simple, what have you observed? Means note the address. It should be on the left side hand corner. It should be on the left hand side corner. You can see over here. Fine. This was the first. Second thing, date has been written along with the address. Date must be there. Do not forget to write the date. If you are writing an elderly person, if you are writing the letter to some elder person, then you should address him by writing dear. आपको dear लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हिंदी में आप लिखते हैं ना प्रिय. Dear grandpa, dear aunt. For friends, you can write dear. Fine. Jia or so on. Informal letter. I taught you the way of informal letter. In next lecture, I will be telling you about formal letter, or it can be maybe in the next term, this end of this 3rd term, I will be telling you about formal letter also. Fine. Informal letter usually end by. जो इनफॉर्मल लेटर में क्लोजिंग लाइन कौन सी होती है? इट कैन बी योर्स लविंग फ्रेंड और योर्स लविंग सन, डॉटर, योर्स अफेक्शनेटली, फॉलोड बाय योर नेम एट द एंड. These points you need to keep it in your mind very precisely. Now this is the letter which you need to complete it, and it is given on page number 115 in your book. Fine. This is letter writing. In this, what you are writing? This is the question given over here. Let me show you the question. Once again, let us read the question. Yeah, it's over here. Write a letter from Nitin. Means suppose you are Nitin and you are writing a letter to your cousin Dinesh, who lives in abroad. You are writing a letter to abroad, telling him about how he has changed school. उसने अपना विद्यालय कैसे बदला and how it has affected him. और उसने उसका विद्यालय ने उसे कैसे affect किया. Fine. Now let us move forward. You have to complete this. Again, I am telling you, it's given on page number 115. First of all, you are going to write the address. This is the address. You will write your own address. Then you will leave a line. Then you will write Dear Dinesh. Dear Dinesh. Now these are the blanks which I have underlined are given in your book. You need to complete it with the help of pencil. Do not make use of pen. Hope this letter finds you and your family in the good health. I am doing well. I received your letter today. Your parents must have posted it last week. तुम्हारे माता पिता ने इसको कब पोस्ट किया होगा? Last week. पिछले सप्ताह. I have been waiting for it eagerly. Eagerly means बहुत उत्सुकता से. I go to my tuitions at my new school in Banda now. It is Banda now. In my new school, I have great teachers. Great means Mahan. My teachers help me out with the schoolwork. They help me in doing the schoolwork. I try to hard work and be friendly. But I am very shy and find it difficult to be active in the class. I feel very shy with the students present in the class. I do not have much leisure. Fine. The students here are great, but they are not like my old friends. होता है, बहुत बार होता है जब हम नए स्कूल में जाते हैं, हम यूज टू नहीं हो पाते हैं, हमें बहुत समय लगता है अपने और क्लासमेट्स को समझने के लिए. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट वी शुड बी फ्रेंडली. फाइन. Please tell me about your life and how are you living in Chicago? Where you had to move last year, was it difficult? Where you had to move last year? क्या तुम अगली साल जो तुमने ट्रांसफ़र किया था, शिफ्ट हुए थे, क्या वो बहुत मुश्किल था? I miss my old school in Juhu. Give me advice how to make new friend. मुझे कुछ सलाह दो कि मैं नए दोस्त कैसे बनाऊँ, नए मित्र कैसे बनाऊँ. I miss the days that we spent in our hostel. Fine. I hope to hear from you soon. Your affectionately, Nitin, my old friend. So you have written this letter to your friend Dinesh, and who has written? Nitin. Fine. So what you need to do is you need to complete this letter writing, okay, and paragraph writing, and do it in your English paragraph writing in English Fair notebook, and this letter writing in your grammar book given on page number 115. This is your homework. That's it. Thank you.